Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your price alerts on your Trust Wallets account. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable price alerts on Trust Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Trust Wallet application. The home page of Trust Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top left corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Trust Wallets account. Tap on Price Alerts option. Slide the slider of Price Alerts to the right side to turn it on. This is how you can enable price alerts on Trust Wallets account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.